Alright, you guys want to make the FIRESTICK a lot more powerful? This is how you do it. And this steps, it's the main steps to download third-party apps to watch movies, live TV, TV shows, a bunch of other apps. This is how you do it, okay? You go to settings. Okay. Go to My Fire TV. Developer option. And make sure that those two are on. Right now they're all on, but obviously you have it off, but you can just turn it on. It's really easy, just press OK and it turns on. Same thing with this one, right now it's off and you turn it on. Okay, then you press the home button. Okay, and now you're going to download this program. I'm gonna actually uninstall it so you guys can see the process. Okay, so you're back to the home screen. Click it left and you're gonna search downloader. It's gonna come up really quick on the bottom. Second one down. That's the one, downloader right there. Click it. Install it. Give it a second. Okay, now it's good. Now you can click it OK and open it. Press OK again. Now on the bar, URL bar, click up button and now it's gonna flash right there. Press OK again. Let's get that file. Linked. Okay, linked. Okay, now you already press go. Install it. And this is pretty much like an app store, pretty much. You can press done. You can delete it. It doesn't really matter, or you can put done, but you should just delete it. Okay. Press home button. And I already have it right there. That's the icon for file linked. But if you don't have it right there, you can just press the home button. And you're gonna see the apps right there. Press OK. And it's gonna be right there. That's the icon for the file linked. You can press that. My codes, yours is there's probably not going to be anything there, but those are the codes right there, which is 85810914, and you press continue. I'll give you that a second. Okay, and you're in the store now. Well, I'm just showing you guys how to get those two, because those two are the main ones that you actually gotta have to start downloading other apps. Instead of making videos extremely long all the time, I'm probably gonna have this one in the description so you guys can have it really quick, instead of making all the videos super long all the time, because I gotta do the steps all the time. Alright, if you guys like the content, just like it, subscribe, it will really help. Alright, thank you, and I'll see you guys.